Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to refresh flat ironed hair without re-straightening it and without using any heat. So let's get started. I'm going to need a blow dryer that I'll use on low heat, heat protectant just in case, a wide tooth comb and a medium tooth comb, hair clips, and hair oil to make sure my scalp doesn't feel itchy and to make my hair softer, shinier, and more manageable. So I straightened my hair 5 days ago, and this is what it's looking like right now. So to get started, I'm going to section my hair into 2 halves, and I'm going to pin up the hair on the top half so it's out of the way. Next, I'm going to apply the Blossom Luxury Hair Growth Oil by Bold Beauty Essentials onto my scalp. I'm also going to add a little bit of the oil to my ends. And now, even though I'm only going to put the blow dryer on low heat, I'm going to add some heat protectant onto my hair just in case. So I'm going to set the blow dryer to low heat and high speed and start blow drying the bottom half of my hair. After I'm finished blow drying this section, I'm going to put it in a bun to get it out of the way. And now on to the last section. So I'm going to take the top half of my hair down, add the oil to my scalp, add the oil to the ends, finger detangle, detangle with the wide tooth comb, and blow dry the section on low heat. And now that I'm all done, I'm going to put all of my hair into a bun and leave it in the bun for about 5 minutes, just to make sure all my hair is properly smoothed down. Now I'm just going to repart my hair and brush it into place. And I'm all done. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video is helpful. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.